The book I chose to read was The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up, and pop, out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. "I'm hungry!" He started to look for some food. "I'm still hungry!" On Monday he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. "I'm still hungry!" On Tuesday he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. "I'm still hungry!" On Wednesday he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. "I'm still hungry!" On Thursday he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. "I'm still hungry!" On Saturday he ate through a cake, an ice cream cone, cheese, meat, a popsicle, cake, a hot dog, a cupcake, and that night he had a stomach ache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly. The end.